Okay, people, this Ride the Wings 86 coming at you from southern Arkansas, a little place called Rising, a little slice of heaven. This is my 2005 Honda Recon. I bought it brand new. It was a year old when I bought it, but it was brand new at the dealership. I bought it in 2006. It has been a good four-wheeler. I bought it when I lived in southwest Missouri, and it's not beat up. I did have to fix the headlight. The headlight bucket was hanging off of it. The thing on the plastic broke under there that holds the headlight bucket up. I rigged it up and made it work. It used to have a snorkel on it and mud tires. And now it's just a stock four-wheeler, no snorkel, no mud tires. It does have Honda Rancher 350 wheels on the front. It's got Recon wheels and tires on the back. It does smoke. It needs a set of rings put in it real bad. There's the rear end. There's the bald tires that are on it. There's my 82 Honda Big Red 200E. It runs real good, just needs a timing chain put in it. I figured I'd do a cold start on this Recon, a cold start video. The Big Red hasn't been started since June of this year, and I don't have a battery in it right now, and I don't feel like pulling on the pull rope because I know it's going to take a bunch of pulls to make it start, and I don't feel like doing it. So I'm going to do a cold start on a four-wheeler that has a battery in it, because it's a electric start, a lot easier to start. Turn the gas on. See, the motor is cold. It's cold. Grab the exhaust pipe. Show y'all it's cold. Okay. There's choke, as you can see. I haven't pulled it out, so there's no choke. As you can hear, it needs a timing chain, an oil pump chain put in it. But it is a real good four-wheeler. It runs good. It has always run good. Has always been pretty reliable. Headlights work. Taillight works. And I think it might go in gear. No. Maybe we'll go in reverse. No. Anyway. Well, that's it for a cold start video for this wheeler. As you can see, it started right up. The temperature is in the 50s right now. I guess I could do one more cold start video before I call it a day. maybe 2 cold starts, 2 more cold starts maybe. See if I can get this old 86 model 200 SX Honda to start. Pretty sure it'll probably start right up too. Most of these Hondas around here are pretty reliable. Show you it's cold. Hand on exhaust pipe, touching the cylinder head and the jug and the case. It's cold. Put your light on. And she's running. Oh, she died. Oh, she died again. Well, she may need some choke. There it is. It's gonna run now. It's a good running four-wheeler. Headlight works. Needs front plastic. Needs front bumper. Needs a grab bar put on it. Alright, let's see if the old 85 Big Red 250 will start. It has been in the family since brand new. Grandpa bought this 3-wheeler brand new. It's always been a pretty good wheeler. Or has been since I've been around. We'll see how easy it starts today. It's probably been a month since it's been started. Well, she might not start today. It's got gas in there. Alright, let's see. Maybe it don't need no choke. Well, she don't want to start today. I hate that. That's one failed cold start. Normally it starts right up, but anyway. I don't guess she's gonna start. Anyway, I'll have to work on it, get it running, and I'll come back with another video of it running. Anyways, 2 successful, 1 failed. Old Big Red let me down. Let's see, what else can I cold start? I don't think there's anything else around here that's worth cold starting for y'all. And I'm pretty sure the old Big Red right here won't start. I'm pretty sure of that. Usually takes a good hot battery and a lot of cranking to get it started. It's real bad cold natured. But when it starts though, it'll run. But just getting it to hit for the first time is the problem. But once it finally hits, it'll start and run. It's got a 84 200S tank on it. I got the original tank, but it's rusted pretty bad. I need to get around and try to clean it out and put the original tank back on it. I believe it's a It's an 82 model. I forget where it says it at. Maybe it's on the other side of the steering neck. Yeah, you can barely read it, but it's an 82 model. 82 model 200E. There's my 66 Chevrolet out there under the lean-to that I've been working on. Our water collection system for watering the garden in the summertime. Got a 85 Honda 110 that runs. It smokes. There's a video of it running on my channel. I got to put a coil on it now. Anyway, I need to get a front tire for it and put that back together so it'll be rideable again. 87 model Suzuki 230 shaft drive. It runs pretty good. It smokes like a freight train. I need to put a top end in it, but more than likely for the time I'm going to own it, it's not going to get a top end put in it. And it runs. It's sitting on 2 flats on the pastures, or pasture side, right side, whatever you want to call it. There's my 84 200S. I have owned it for almost 5 years. I ain't even heard it make the first noise yet as far as running goes, because it needs a stator put in it, and I'm having a hard time finding a stator for it. But anyway, it's supposed to be a low hour machine. It's supposed to run real good at one time. I guess I'll find out whether or not that's true when I finally find a stator for it. From what I can tell, that's a major downfall of these 200S's, was the stators going out. So it makes it hard to find a good one for it. Anyways, it's in real good shape. And if I don't find one soon, it looks like it's just going to sit there and rot. Here's my camper. It's a 33-foot Pilgrim FEMA camper, trailer, whatever you want to call it. That's what I currently live in. There's the front end of my little Buick sitting out there beside it. A satellite dish. A John Deere M tiller. And I think this is a 41 slant dash A model John Deere. It hasn't been started in about 6 or 8 years. It's been a while. But I bet with a hot battery and some fresh gas, it'd start right up. It's always been a good running tractor. That tractor right there does not belong to us. The old crappy Massey Ferguson anyway. Good old Ford. 601 Workmaster. I was told it's a 600 Workmaster, but it's got 601 stickers we used to have before it got repainted. So 42, I think my dad said. Ford 8N. It runs, but it smokes like crazy. The mower that has lived 3 times. It has had 3 motors put in it. It's on its 3rd one now. And it sounds pretty weak, so there's no telling how long the current motor that's in it's going to last. It's a John Deere 4010, I believe Dad said it is. It's a 6-cylinder. LP. It runs. It's got flats all over the world. There's a, I forget what year model, 57, 58. I think my dad says a Ford Ferguson. Not real sure. I know it's a Ferguson, but I think it's a Ford Ferguson. But anyways, it runs good. Then a 50s model John Deere MT. It runs a little 2-cylinder engine. This tractor's for sale, and this 4010 is for sale. Anybody's interested, contact me. My email is 1966 Chevy C10, the number 10, at gmail.com. All one word. Get together with me, as my dad is wanting to sell these tractors. This one possibly could be for sale. I'll have to ask him about it. I know this one's for sale too. So somebody contact me if you're interested. Let me know.